Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to check tire manufacture date. To check tire manufacture date, take a look at the tires. All tires have special code that starts with the dot, and then at the end of this code we've got 4 numbers in the circle. First two numbers represent the week of production, and second two numbers represent year of production. In this case, this tire was manufactured in 44th week of 2025. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.